Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC out here at the Avon Park here at Mahler's Club. Going to do the second flight ever on my FREEWING F-86 80mm in the high performance. So also got the fire booty in there, or afterburner. It's the Motion RC brand, the one you can buy with the plane. I think it's like 17 bucks for the universal. Right, left, up, down, right, left. This will be the second flight, but the first time with tanks on. Got her in high rates. Let me get back down here. Actually see that afterburner now. Get her back on the center line. Wind is kicked up a little bit, but that's okay. Gives me something to fly into, and it's out of the due east, so that's awesome. Okay. Not going to use any takeoff flaps. So, here we go. Can actually see the fire booty, or the afterburner.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
A little bit of wind now. I probably should have left the tanks off.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Well, wind. Oh man. That wind, I just ripped a retract out. Dang it. I sure did. I ripped a retract out. Problem won't be so much. I put my flaps up. Well, looks like it's clean. Caught that grass real good. And it just unplugged evenly. Retract came out evenly. It almost looks like there just wasn't enough glue, but then again, it hit even the little fake plate that sits in there isn't even ripped or anything. So I'm sorry to get my butt in your face, but we can call that oh, that's going to be such a simple repair. Kind of minor crash on landing on my second flight, but wind just kind of caught me. But that's the little cover that goes over the retract. It's all in one piece. The retract itself looks like it's fine. Just come on it and just ripped out of the channel there. It's a clean break there. Yeah, I'll just run that back in, make sure she's working all right. I should not have flown with this little bit of this heavier of a breeze with these tanks. I should have left the tanks off. That caught me a lot of sideways. I should have left the tanks off, but live and learn. That is a very simple, easy fix, but unfortunately I don't have the glue and we don't have the time. That'll end this flight for the day, but hey, I got all the pieces and, well, I just lost that. She got a afterburner. But that's an easy fix. A little bit of epoxy, run that back through, make sure that servo's okay. And yeah, I don't even look like it's even bent any. Rest of them are fine. Well, folks, that's what happens Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends. And then jets dealing with crossbreeds. Bye-bye.